Every night, Daniel sat before the antique typewriter he'd found in a dusty estate sale, its keys cold beneath his trembling fingers. He relished the clack of metal striking paper, but lately, the machine had taken on a mind of its own. Words appeared that he hadn't written, names, dates, chilling events. At first, he dismissed them as tricks of exhaustion, but then the news would echo the typewriter's predictions. A neighbor's fatal accident, a fire down the street, a stranger's last breath. Daniel tried to stop, but the urge to write was overwhelming, as if his hands belonged to someone else. One night, the carriage jammed with unnatural force. The ribbon spooled out a single line, "Daniel Wright, June 22nd, midnight." Heart hammering, he ripped the sheet free, but each fresh page repeated the same prophecy. Midnight approached. The air thickened, suffocating, shadows lengthening unnaturally. Keys began to tap by themselves, spelling out his obituary in cold, precise letters. Daniel tried to run, but the door wouldn't budge, as if the room itself conspired to trap him. As the clock struck 12, the typewriter fell silent, except for the final echoing word, "Goodbye."